Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca and today's video is going to be another cake tutorial. So my niece is 4 years old and she asked me to make her a Butterbean'S cafe birthday cake for her birthday, and of course I said that I would. So I'm going to show you today how to make this cake. This one is going to be actually really simple and straightforward. I have already iced and stacked my 6-inch cake. If you are interested more in how to ice and stack cakes, I will put a link in the description to a video that I did called How to Make a Smash Cake, and you could check that out because it goes into a little bit more detail. But I am just going to cover my 6-inch cake with plain white fondant because the top tier is going to be Butterbean'S little chef's coat. So I'm going to just keep that white, and then I'm going to roll out some pink fondant, which is going to be the closing of her chef's coat. And then I'm going to just roll it out wide enough so that it can go in a complete circle and make it the top of the cake as if it's her neck. And then I'm just going to attach this with some water and a paintbrush. So I apologize for the lighting in this video. I was doing this in my kitchen and the sun was going down, so the light kept kind of fading in and out, so it's a little bit all over the place. But what I'm going to do is then I'm going to roll out some light blue teal fondant, and I'm going to cut out just freehand something that kind of looks like a jelly bean, because on her little chef's coat it's jelly beans for buttons. And then I'm just going to use some water and a paintbrush to adhere 3 little jelly bean buttons onto the chef's coat. And then you just want to hold it to make sure it's set and dry because you don't want it to slide off your cake. I also cut out a pink little pocket and put that on the other side of the chef's coat because she has a pink little pocket on the other side. So that is it for that tier. It is just going to be a really simple one. For the bottom tier, I am just going to do a really simple buttercream layer where it's going to be her skirt. So I am just simply piping yellow rosettes all around the cake. And I'm going to do 2 layers of the yellow rosettes. And for this, you really just need a piping bag and a star tip. Once you have those 2 layers, I am just going to take the same star tip with plain white buttercream icing, and I'm going to make a stripe all the way across the cake. And then just to make sure it's thick enough, I am going to do the same thing a second time. In her skirt, it is yellow and then it has a white stripe through the center, so that is what I am mimicking here. And then I'm going to do another set of rosettes right above that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple dowels and I'm going to put them in the center of my cake. Since this is a larger cake, I am going to use 4. And then I'm just going to fill in more rosettes until they meet the chef's coat. I am just going to go in and do some finishing touches and make sure if there's any holes in the buttercream that they're filled. And then I'm going to add little paper wafer butterflies to the cake, as well as some wings with some toothpicks. So I just got these wings at the Dollar Tree and then used them to match the colors of the cake. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoy this cake tutorial, and if you give it a try, please let me know. If you would like to check out more cake tutorials, I do have a cake playlist, so you can check that out as well. Until next time, I will see you guys then.